Hi, my name's PJ, and this is Matt, and we're Endless Road, and we're going to be doing a cover of Block Party Signs.
Yeah.
Two ravens in the old oak tree, and one for you and one for me, and bluebells in the late December. I see signs now all the time. The last time we slept together, there was something that was not there. You never wanted to alarm me, but I am the one that's drowning now. I could sleep forever these days, 'cause in my dreams I see you again. But this time fleshed out full of faith, in your confirmation dress. It was so like you to visit me, to let me know you were okay. It was so like you to visit me. You've always worried about someone else. At your funeral, I was so upset, so upset. In your life, you were long place. Statue there. I see signs now all the time that you're not dead, you're sleeping. I believe in anything that brings you back home to me. I see signs now all the time that you're not dead, you're sleeping. I believe in anything